Whereas fuel prices generally increased worldwide following the COVID-19 pandemic that resulted into the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries cutting their collective oil production, Uganda has been affected in different sectors. Uganda is a border country, and this significantly contributes to transport sector and the economy. Besides being significant, borders also pose a dilemma by producing carbon dioxide, which is detrimental to the environment since they use fossil fuel. Speaking on Saturday, President Museveni said the plan is to shift the entire transport system from petrol-driven to electric as one of the measures.
We have agreed with some investors to take away the petrol-diesel ones, pikipikis, and give the owners the electric ones, free of cost. Just swap. How will the investors recover their money? By the government licensing them to operate charging stations where the electric batteries are recharged. That's how they recover their money. They bring electric pikipikis, they give them free to our people. They take back the ones of petrol, and they recover their money by we allowing them to run charging stations. This swap or cancer will save the pikipiki operator 50% of the cost.
The project innovation delivers an electric bike with 3 kWh motor power. It can deliver 120 km battery range at full charge, and it charges directly into a 240 volt socket, and it can deliver 80% charge in under 2 hours. The product innovation begins within our production workshop, where we're able to fabricate some component parts, and some of the parts which are produced with the Juakali, in partnership with the Juakali. The assembly begins with the chassis section, then the power section, then the body building, then the electronic section, and finally conducting tests on a complete e-bike. In partnership with other service providers, we hope to establish a network of charging stations and battery exchange points to enable to provide a seamless infrastructure. The complete e-bike achieves the overall aim of retaining 50% of the value chain within Uganda.
Reaching out to border riders in Kampala, appreciated the government and welcomed the development, saying they are ready to cope up.
Amawulire marungi aga boda ez'amasanyalaze. Kitusanyusa we tukiwulira mu matu gaffe ti boda ez'amasanyalaze zajja mu system ya twegattako kijja tukolera bulungi. Akati katandika okukigoberera tujja kutambula nazo. Ate kirungi nti waliwo enkola eriwo nti twotwalayo eno ne bakuweeri eyo system nnungi era nkola nnungi. Katutambule nakyo mpola nga bwe tukigoberera bwe tukiyiga tujja kutuuka ku buwanguzi bwakyo.
Some suggests that the government should also consider those who would like to purchase as well.
Bwekibanga kyakuwangala teziwangala naye kukola sente zikola. Oyinza gikozesa emyaka nga 2 n'osanga ogifunyemu sente n'odda mu kirala. Nenze nga bwendaba ku bavuzi ba boda ziyinza okubakolera. Nekyesimanyi oba ya sente meka oba kwaba batayina boda ez'okuwaayo kati bo banaganyirirwamu wa mu gavumenti yaabwe.
The importance of electric borders relates to being cheap in terms of charging, though people are still worried about the maintenance.
Ku nsonga y'eppikipiki ez'amasanyalaze teyali wadde mbi naye tetumanyi obuwangaazi n'abeetya nene yaffe bajaaji gye tubadde tuvuga. Si kibi lwa nsonga tuba tusevinga akasente ke twayitadde mu mafuta wano tuba lukyajinga bukyaji tesobola kwenkananga kya mafuta. Singa obuwangaazi kuba busobola okutambula nga zino ezaffe kuba zino munnange ezaffe bajaaji zibadde zimanye ennaku yaffe. Buli wamu spare waali ne kati zino empya ezijja kinaasobola otambula ng'ekya bajaaji kye tubaddeko.
The government is now working with private companies to install electric charging stations all over the country. Kirabo, live at 8.